All of our sets should be in there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even when you go heavier.
Yeah.
How'd that
Should be
feel?
controlled.
Sick.
Sick?
Shout out to PJ and Blackstone Labs.
Shout out to PJ Blackstone Labs and his wife.
Look at this shirt. His wife.
Yeah, Jason, could you explain that to us real quick?
The building up, the breaking down the muscle.
You get a contraction in the pump, and for 24 to 72 hours, like that, builds up the muscle, rip down and tear down and rebuild the muscle fibers.
Now just replace the lactic acid part with muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is elevated.
Muscle protein synthesis is elevated. You rip down and tear down muscle fibers, and you rebuild them.
What if you're an experienced lifter? It's every 4 to 6 hours muscle protein synthesis.
Every 4 to 6 to 8 hours, somewhere in that.
You should go up 10 pounds at a time. Here, where's the 50s? The 50s, Jason.
55 I did. I didn't do 50s.
You did 40.
You did 40s the first time, 50s
I did
next
40.
time.
Oh,
Yeah, you did 40s.
oh, sorry.
Trust us, we know science.
We know science. You don't know science. I'm a powerlifter and a bodybuilder.
Sickening resume.
Where's the 50?
Where are the 50s, guys?
Cut that.
You got your mass steady, then you pressing, and you got isolation. But no machines, bro. No machines.
Is this his first or second rep?
That was his first. Sickening control.
$75 ain't nothing.
Lightweight.
Lightweight, nothing but a peanut. Nothing but a peanut.
Good. One more.
150 pound total weight. Sickening celebrity status.
Yes.
That too. This is a warm-up, Jason. Just do 4.
Don't want to burn out on warm-ups.
That's good, Jason.
Sick.
It's a
Okay.
warm.
About 103.
4. Again. 5. Again.
Sick.
It's sick.
Channing camera. Channing Stove, Jason Andrew.
I think the weights smell.
They do. $10 a month. That's it?
Yep.
Shout out to World Gym.
Shout out to World Gym in Delray Beach, Florida.
I wish we were on like Jason's just posing in the He's posing over Coath. Don't get this way, Jason. Jason, back up.
Yeah. The lighting in here looks really good. I'm not gonna lie.
I've been posing in front of him. It's so sick. Yeah.
Sickening.
My turn. Let's go 65.
When you think about those cues of way no, on the rack. The one on your hand and then that one.
Jason, focus on pushing through your upper arms. Don't just shove the dumbbells together. Two more.
We got them all over the
That
floor.
helps, Jason.
Yeah.
Look at this. I've been doing the Jason laugh so much that he now mimics me mimicking him doing his laugh.
Oh man.
Like,
Yes.
Let's go, Jason.
did he start at the top or bottom?
Top.
1.
Good.
2. 3. 4. 2 more,
Good
Jason.
job, Jason. Come on.
5. Power. Good.
Easy. Easy weight.
Sick.
Jason, lighter weights in good form like this, you'll improve your chest.
Yeah.
Did you know how when you were leaner, people were saying, oh, his chest is underdeveloped?
It was?
Well, you have these really thick triceps from all that benching with a fairly narrow grip. So you don't really train your triceps, do you, directly? You don't have to.
I know.
Go, Jason. 1.
Good. Come on, Jason.
Beautiful. Come on, Jason. 3 more.
Up. Good. Come on, Jason.
Squeeze.
Good. Come on, Jason.
Squeeze. Good.
Good stuff, man.
Bam, baby.
Bam, baby. Nothing but lightweight.